guys, welcome back to my channel.
You're new. I'm Chrissy. It's been a minute since I've been on here, but I am back and I'm ready to deliver these videos for you all. And I'm currently preparing for a vacation, and I was like, right now will be the perfect time to, get a few videos out. So I'm gonna start with this video, which I will be doing. I wanted it to be something like prepared me for a vacation type thing, nails, hair, packing. But I've already been to the nail salon. I got my nails done last week. I do have a hair appointment in the morning at 10:30. And I do have some packing to do. So I didn't get a chance to film me getting my nails done, but I do plan on, taking my camera with me on tomorrow so that I can get clips of me getting my hair done, and also clips of me packing, because I have a lot of packing to do. I've been procrastinating and just all over the place. So yeah. So what I'm about to do right now, I just finished washing my bundles. I'm about to wash my face now, get this stuff off my face, and I'm about to wash my hair so it can be ready for tomorrow. My appointment is at 10:30, and hopefully my bundles are dry in the morning before 10:30. Hopefully, I'm trying to let them air dry. But yeah. So once I wash my face and my hair, I'll be back. I did already get my eyebrows waxed, but they are looking pretty full, and I don't know, I like them a little thinner, but I don't want to tell the lady to go, to do them thinner, because I was afraid she was going to take too much off. So I was like, I just want, yeah. I also need to do a braces update. It's been a year. I think the last update that I did was probably my 6 month update. But y'all, it has been a year and my gaps are closed. So I have to do a braces video as well. So be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I don't know why I came back on. I said I was gonna come back on after I got done washing my hair, but I just wanted to show you all how clear my skin is. Yep. I'll be back. Let the blow dry it. Hi guys, so it is the next day. I was supposed to come back on yesterday, but I got kind of tied up. I didn't get a chance to pack anything yesterday, so I'm just getting back in from getting my hair done, and I'm about to grab me something quick to eat because I'm about to break my fast. So I'm gonna have me something quick to eat, and I'm gonna start packing. So as soon as I get done eating, I'll be back. Just to me. And Hannah stuff can fit into, we're gonna be gone for a week, so I should be able to get everything in here along with my carry-on bag I'll be taking. Have that as well. So yeah, so I already got some stuff up in here that I just throwed up in here so I wouldn't misplace it, but I'm about to roll everything down, and you know, so I can get it in there neatly, and hopefully it's not over 40 pounds. I don't think it will be, but you know, hopefully it's not. So yeah, let's get right into this video.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? See me now, why don't you hear me out? Can't you see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. But I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe. Much. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the toe. Someone who's got the toe. Let me go, let me out. My time is precious to me, so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. You play me good, there's no doubt, but you're the one that.
You know, pretty easy to pack in, but so far all I have in here is one of my belts that I'm gonna take. And
Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye. Already found someone that I'm thinking.
have a lot more to go in there. I'm just pressing for time right now. I really don't have time to be doing this. I'm tired. A long day tomorrow. I still have to put the rest of my clothes in here, which I'll probably do tomorrow. I also have to do with my toiletries and the things that I'm gonna pack in my carry-on bag. So yeah, I still have to do that. And I still have to get the kids' carry-on bag ready as well. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. Not gonna make any promises because the next time you may see me, I may be at the airport already. But yeah, I'm proud of myself because I've been procrastinating, like I said, for like a week and a half, and I finally took the first step to just getting some of this stuff in the suitcase. So yeah. But yeah, I'll get back with you all when I finish packing. Hi guys, so I am back and it's the day before vacation and I have stuff everywhere. I'm trying to get my toiletries and my makeup bag situated. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just load my bottles up, label them. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do now. So once I get situated, I'll be right back.
See me now, why don't you hear me out? Can't you see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more, but I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe. What?
Tomorrow, so I don't have everything in here right now, but I do have some foundation, and I do have one of my perfumes in here with the palette. On the inside, I just have some of my concealers, my lip gloss, face cream, eyeliners, and things like that. Here. And down here, I just have one of my other perfumes that I want to take with me, and an eyebrow pencil. I still have to put my lashes in here.
I'm just gonna throw this in here so I can get ready for bed. I have a long day ahead of me tomorrow.